Morning, South Africa. I hope you're well. If you remember, a short while ago, we made a video about the Woolworths 500 Rand chicken pie. And the most interesting thing happened. Checkers messaged me, Checkers South Africa, and they said they want to sponsor us to see what we can get at Checkers for 500 Rand pie or equivalent to 500 Rand, but a chicken pie meal. And we took up the challenge, and we want to thank Checkers South Africa for it. So they sent us a voucher. We went to Checkers, and let me tell you, we didn't just get a chicken pie, we got a feast, not just for us, for the kids. It was a really amazing experience. So what we did is we got two pies actually, and not like, your garage pies. We got two big pies that we can cook at home. We did a chicken pie, we also did a beef pie, because why not have variety? So it was pepper steak and chicken, and then we got some garlic bread, we got some potatoes, and while we were there, the kids were with us, so of course we had to get snacks for the kids while they're in shop, because you know how kids are, and so we got them eat something to quickly just nibble on. We also got a plate of food for someone else, but we'll chat about that later. And then we got the chicken pie, pepper steak pie, we got the potatoes, we got the garlic bread, they had amazing salads, they had a lot of quick and ready to cook meals there. And we also got some cake, because I mean, you need pudding afterwards. And for the kids, we got some mini pizzas. We also got some nice cold drink, we got some chips. So we got literally bags full of food, and we thought, okay, the total is going to be 700-800 Rand, and we'll just pay in whatever the difference is. We got to the till, they started ringing everything up one by one, and the total went down, and it was 505 Rand. And as you can see, we cooked it. Food was absolutely amazing. I'm not lying if I'm saying it wasn't enough, because everyone just wanted more. And like I said, we bought a plate of food, and we thought, well, if we get blessed with food, we want to bless someone else. So we bought a plate of food, and we stopped next to the road, and when we saw a homeless person, we just blessed them as well. So Checkers South Africa, thank you so much for this blessing, and thank you that we could just have, a really cool meal on you guys, but we could also feed one extra person. So Checkers, thank you so much. Really good prices. I was shocked with how good the prices actually were at the end, and the food was absolutely phenomenal. Like I said, we had plates of food, we had snacks, the kids had their pizzas. Thank you, Checkers. Really top notch, 10 out of 10.